Why most side hustles make $0 and how to fix it. Most side hustles don't fail because people are lazy. Most fail because people don't understand the real mechanics of value. Remember, it is the value we create that gives us leverage. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 6 real reasons most side hustles make $0. And then the actual path forward in plain language so you don't get stuck. The 6 real reasons most side hustles make $0. Reason 1. Skill is not equal to offer. You learned a skill. That is great. But skills don't get paid. Outcomes get paid. Don't say, I edit videos. Say, I turn one podcast into 5 shorts per week so you never run out of content. What is the fix to this problem? Define the result, not the talent. Reason 2. Posting is not equal to selling. You post content, you get likes. Still, there are no buyers, because buyers aren't scrolling your content. They're busy running their business. What is the fix to this problem? Talk to buyers directly. Send a message, email, walk in, send a voice note. Initiate a real conversation. Reason 3. Portfolio is not equal to proof. You made a portfolio, but nobody booked you, because portfolios are passive. They only work after someone already believes you're relevant. What is the fix for this problem? Show 3 to 5 small before and after examples that solve one problem. Remember, proof is greater than your portfolio. Reason 4. Effort is not equal to relevance. You are grinding relentlessly. You stay consistent. But still, nothing is happening. Because markets don't pay for your efforts. Markets pay for alignment. This is the harsh reality. What is the fix for this problem? Build offers from complaints, not from your imagination. Be realistic, always. Reason 5. Your niche is not equal to your identity. People pick cool niches. For example, I help gyms to grow. Okay, but what actually do you solve for them? What is the fix for this problem? Don't choose a niche. Identify a micro problem in that niche. Work with that problem. For example, I fill slow Tuesdays for gyms with 1 weekly SMS promo. So, micro problems are greater than vague niche. Reason 6. Delay is not equal to failure. You spent 8 months, but $0 revenue feels like failure. Actually, that is very normal in 2025. Early progress is invisible. What is the fix for this problem? Measure the conversations, not likes. If a business owner asks, how does that work? You know you are getting closer to money. We have seen the 6 reasons why you are not earning. Now we will show the real path forward and make things happen. Here is the part that matters. To go from $0 to the first dollar, you only need 3 things. A problem you can solve. A proof that you can solve it. A human who has that problem. That's it. The real steps look like this. Step 1. Pick one small problem you can solve. Remember, not a niche, but a problem. For example, gym owners struggle to fill slow weekdays. Step 2. Create 3 to 5 example solutions to that problem. Not random portfolio pieces. For example, write 3 example SMS promos for slow Tuesdays. That becomes your proof. Step 3. Talk to 20 real business owners. Not creators, not your friends. Actual buyers. Ask them what days are slow, Check if they already do promos. This is insight. Step 4. Ask one direct question. Do you want me to do this weekly? That's it. Not funnels, not branding, not daily posting. From a specific pain to specific proof to a specific ask. This is the bridge between I'm trying and I'm earning. In closing, now you understand that most people don't fail because they lack skill, but they fail because they stay vague. The money barrier now is clarity, not talent. You can apply this model to whatever goal you are striving for. If this message hit home, like the video. Subscribe for more lessons in power, control, and strategy. Subscribe, not for hype, but for clarity. This is Peak Edge Men, sharpening every edge so you lead with power.